Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and I've still got that big red line up there, which is the 2106, 2107 resistance area. It continues to be a problem for the bulls. If they're able to get over it, and you can see us trying to create higher lows here, and here. If they can get above and turn it into support, it can be the springboard for another leg higher. But they have to, they have to get that done first. For now, any type of a price stall above 2100 and below 2106, 2107 has been a really nice sell. Last night proved that to be the case once again. We traded as low as 87.5 off of the Europe Open. Europe has no interest in buying this market off the Open. It has been a fairly consistent sell the last couple of sessions. What we're seeing now is we are seeing potential lower highs. You've got the move up to 2100 half, then a lower high at 99, lower high at 97.75, about 5:30 this morning. Then 97, we just put it on this pop. We just had the jobless claims, and now we're chopping right at the daily pivot in the 94 in the 94 half area. 2095 was our regular session open yesterday. So we've been down, we've been up, we've been down again, and we're all coming right back to the same place, which is 2094, 2095. That tells me that this remains a two-sided market. You can't become ultra convicted in one way or the other in this type of market. You need to be taking profits on shorts when we get down into support areas. You need to be taking profits on longs when we get up above 2100 and price begins to stall out, very similar to what it did yesterday afternoon and on Tuesday afternoon. The highs continue to be rejected, the lows continue to be rejected, and we keep gravitating back to the middle, which is a nice trading environment. It can be frustrating, especially if you want the market to do something, but the market doesn't really care what any of us wants. The market's going to do what it's going to do, and right now it is chopping in a range, waiting for the bulls to take out 2106, 2107, or the bears to take out the weekly pivot down at 2081.80. And until that happens, we're going to continue to chop around in this in this fairly wide range. It's a wide enough range to get done what you need to get done during the course of a day as far as profit targets are concerned. So I still have a long at 2069 from Friday, from last Friday. I am not going to be letting that go until the bears can close below the weekly pivot, either this week's weekly pivot or next week's weekly pivot. If we break out, I'm just going to let that runner keep running and doing what it's doing. At the same time, I'm going to continue to short stalls of price above 2100. I'm short now 97.88. Terrible entry yesterday, but it happens to everybody. But the theory is, and I didn't add, which is what I was saying to people in the room that we should have done. We should have gone ahead and added when price started to reject. So we've taken some profit on that. I'm an even stop on that now, and I'm just going to let it work. See if we get a push down off the open, I'll take some more profit. But my point being, you have to be looking at both sides of the market. Yesterday morning, our proprietary lower level at 84.25 was hit and faded really nicely. That essentially was pretty close to the regular session lows. So you just have to take the opportunities long and short as they come. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come trade this stuff with us. Come see if we're right for you. If you trade the mini all the time, if you trade futures consistently, don't do it by yourself. Either come do it with us or do it somewhere, but don't do it by yourself because there's so many cross currents in the market, and it helps to be in a place with similarly minded people that you can bounce ideas off of, ask questions in a in an environment that's not intimidating or, anything like that. And that's what we're about. So um, come check it out. We got live charts, audio. We'd love to meet you. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.